Dear students, next topic is your ocean current. So, what is ocean current? Ocean currents are the continuous flow of sea water from one direction to another. How the sea water will flow continuously from one direction to another, that is known as ocean current. They can be classified as warm current and cool current. There are two types of ocean current. One is warm current and the one is cool current. Warm current are the currents that flow from the tropical to all subtropical regions towards the polar region. That is, from tropical region to polar region, that is known as warm current. Clear? And similarly, cold currents means what? Flow in from polar to the tropical region is known as cold current. Clear? See your Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, from this tropical region, that is from the middle of this current which flows upwards. That is to the polar region, North Pole and South Pole. If it moves either from upward or downward, from the tropic to the upward or downward, that is the warm current. Why? Because in the center of near to the equator, the temperature will be high. So from here, that up, when it goes upward, the temperature will be less. So from the equator to the poles, if the water is flown, that is the warm current. That is from hot, that is temperature is high, so it flows upwards. That means warm current. Clear? Similarly, from the polar means there the temperature is very low. It is very coldest area. From the polar region, if it comes to the tropical region, means what happens? Cold water. That is cool current. Cold water will flow. That is known as cool current. Clear? What is warm current? When from tropical to the polar region or subpolar region, that is warm current. Cold current means from the polar or subpolar region towards the tropical or subtropical region as cold current. The temperature and salinity of water varies from ocean to ocean. This difference leads to the density difference in the seawater. The difference in density in one of the factors that causes ocean current. One is the changes in temperature and changes in salinity of seawater. It will lead to the difference in the density of seawater. This difference in the density of seawater is one of the reasons for causes of ocean current. So warm current, your long distance is the warm current. When it moves upwards, and you can see, when it moves upwards, it is the warm current. From tropical region to polar region, both the sides. Again, from the polar to the tropical region, if it moves, means what happens? It is cold current. Where and all this warm current is there, wherever the cold current is there, try to complete those places, okay, and fill it in this table. In currents of Atlantic Ocean, try to fill it. Currents in Indian Ocean. So what are the effects of ocean currents? What are the effects? It influences the climate of coastal regions. Fog develops in the regions where warm and cool currents meet. Where both the current will meet, there what happens? Your fog will develop. See, you can see here. These are the regions where warm current and cool current meet. The regions where the warm and cool currents meet provide favorable condition for the growth of fish. Where both the current will meet, it will help for the growth of fish.